So I am dealing with holes in my palm structures from an attack bird that is tearing them apart, and I hate it. Hi everybody, it's Tim. It is December, and oddly enough here in New York, it is warm again. So I'm out here with my friend. This is one of my rescue parrots. She's an Amazon parrot. She's actually pretty bad. I have a rescue Hans macaw who's very, very sweet, but I don't trust her outside because she likes to fly even though her wings are clipped. That's a whole other story. This one's a little too hefty to take off, but she is bad, but she wants to be held all the time. So if you're ever interested in rescue parrots, definitely do that. Don't buy a new one or a baby. There's so many rescues out there that can need to be adopted. There's so many birds because people get them and then they realize they're loud and they want to be held all the time, like this one does. Anyway, I've got some challenges in the garden right now because it's so warm today. It's like pleasant out here. It's about almost 60 degrees. And then tomorrow, it is dropping down to, I think, 18 degrees Fahrenheit. And then Friday, it's actually going to drop to about 12 degrees Fahrenheit. At least that's what's predicted right now because the forecast keeps changing. So I've been in the garden trying to make sure everything's secure, and I want to show you some of the weird things that are going on. I am battling a woodpecker. Fun, as I'm holding a bird, and I love birds, but this woodpecker is going after one of my palm structures, actually two of them, and I just caught it out there just a moment ago, going after what I had done, and I'm going to try to get it on video, but I may just show you the damage. It depends on what I can do. I'm looking for the bird right now, and I actually hear it. It's crazy. I hear it down there, so I am going to go down and try to chase it away. So if anyone has any recommendations on what to do with a bad woodpecker going after foam board, I would appreciate it. Sorry, the train is coming through down there too. It's all loud all the time here right now, but at least it's not raining at the moment. So anyway, here's my friend. Just wanted to show her, and we'll go down and look for the woodpecker. So here's one of my taller structures, and it is putting not just one hole in it, but several holes in it, and it's pecking it all the way through. And it's weird because when I put up this structure, this bird was hanging around then when I was putting it up, and I thought it was just interested in, something to be near, but I didn't realize it was going to do all this damage. So I'm basically just taping it up because of the cold weather coming in. But I mean, these holes are bad, and this is some of my thicker foam board, so I'm not very happy about this. And it just keeps coming back. I keep chasing it away, and it keeps going after it. And here, I cannot get close, but there it is. And I'm pretty sure it's a woodpecker. It's just a small, but maybe I'm wrong. So some of you bird experts out there, if you could identify this bird and anything I can do to get rid of it. Anyway, on another note, my papyrus is still going despite all this cold weather. And I'm thinking maybe the next 2 days it might finally do it in, but it's still upright. I can't believe it is going this long. It's kind of crazy. But with this really cold weather coming in, I'm taking one of my old palm structures I no longer use and putting it over my monkey puzzle tree. Not that it probably can't handle this cold, but I have the time. I've put some Christmas lights on it, and I'm just going to wrap some frost cloth around it. So frost cloth around the monkey puzzle. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe, and if you know anything about how to take care of a woodpecker, please let me know.